Welcome back again. So now you know what an LLM is, we know what an MCP is, and then we know what prompting is. And this brings us to the most important part of understanding the meta thinking behind prompt engineering. So as a prompt engineer, you should be able to think like a scientist, not literally like a scientist, but you should be able to track and improve upon every result. So, what is the first thing you are going to be talking about? You are going to be talking about the context. So, in our previous demo, you saw that I asked it a simple question, which is to write me a LinkedIn post about how to leverage AI. But I did very wrong thing. I gave the AI a wish, right? I gave it a wish. So, it is going to also fulfill the wish for me because I gave it no context and no instructions and no data or examples that it should follow. And in the next minute, we are going to learn how to fix this. So, with the old prompt that I wrote, what I did was I added more context to the prompt. So instead of saying write a LinkedIn post about how to leverage AI, I made it very much specific. And I said, you are a senior ghostwriting copywriter with over 20 years of experience in writing valuable content that brings in leads, connections, sales in the tech industry, SaaS related. Our company built a SaaS app that allows users to post content anywhere while scheduling ones. The tone should be casual and should relate to my audience and consistent posts. So what I mean right here is we are giving it much context and we are giving it instructions of how to post it. In this case, we are not leaving the AI into a closed box when it has to be like thinking about which part of the industry of tech, which like you see it removes like some of the hallucinations that we face while trying to talk about AI. So when you think of it in this way, it reduces the number of times that you will be prompting it to constantly change something. So you are going to test what you get for the results here. So with this prompt, we're able to get a more specific post and it was catered to our particular audience. So as you can see, you know what. So it's literally like talking to the audience based on the problems that they have, which is posting consistently. So why engineer this prompt in this same way? What it does is you move from thinking about the AI as a human being, like just sending it a simple sentence and then expecting it to do some magic for you. You move from that part to understanding what like it really does, right? So you understand that the AI does not just process the text that you give it. It breaks the text down into tokens, right? So you must be more specific what you need before you even open ChatGPT, before you open any AI app, and then you start writing a prompt. You should know what output you are supposed to get. And most of us, the problem is we don't even know what output you are supposed to get. So we end up prompting the AI, and when it comes and that's not what we expected, we go on to like be in that loop of saying change this, change that, change that. So once you learn prompt engineering, all that cuts down, and you're able to focus on what's more important. To end to end this part of the video, I'd like to say that for you to get to know the AI much better, understand it as like you have a coworker who is very good at doing stuff, but you can't just tell the coworker to do anything without adding more context as to what he's supposed to do, right? So it changes the way you think about AI from just giving it a simple sentence to giving it an instruction because you are the instructor of the AI. So you should know which languages to use and what those languages mean. And when you use those languages, you should understand the output that you are going to get, not just prompting it and expecting it to do some magic for you.